Why global health matters more than ever. Hi, everybody. I'm back. I'm Marie, Executive Director, Project Heal, Santa Barbara County. Welcome to Pathway to Wellness, Navigating Our Journey. I'm honored you joined me today. Several years ago, a vision began taking shape, a vision rooted in one simple belief: knowledge has the power to change lives. Today, I'm honored to introduce to you Project MAP, our global health education initiative that's been sitting on the back burner for years, dedicated to making trusted public health information understandable, practical, and accessible for everyone. Now, this is whether you're a student, a traveler, a caregiver, a navigator, a community leader, a nursing student, a healthcare professional student, social workers, or simply someone who wants to better understand the world around us. You're in the right place. Because today's conversation begins with one simple question: what is global health and why should it matter to me? Now, as usual, throughout our chapters, we'll be doing compass checks. When you hear the words global health, what comes to mind? Many people imagine something happening somewhere else, another country, another continent, another crisis. But global health isn't just about somewhere else, it's all about us. Observe. Think about your own life. Have you traveled, purchased food, imported from another country, taken medication developed through international research, welcome visitors from another part of the world? If so, global health has already touched your life. Whether we realize it or not, our world is connected. Global health is the field of study and practice dedicated to improving health and achieving health equity for people around the world. It recognizes through research that many health challenges don't stop at national borders. Infectious diseases, climate related health impacts, food insecurity or security, clean water or lack thereof, emergency preparedness, mental health awareness, access to healthcare all remind us that healthier communities are built through cooperation, science, education, and informed decision making. Global health brings together healthcare professionals, scientists, educators, governments, nonprofit organizations, and communities to solve shared challenges. So, how do we interpret that? Why does this matter? Because understanding the connections between our communities helps us make better decisions. Knowledge reduces uncertainty and it gives you information, right? So we are informed and empowered. It gives us preparation that builds confidence and it informs communities and makes us all resilient communities everywhere. Global health isn't about fear, it's about understanding. So, how do we teach it? Well, at Project MAP, our mission is simple. We transform trusted scientific knowledge into practical understanding. Together, we'll explore through topics called chapters: global health, public health, healthy travel, disease prevention, emergency preparedness, health literacy, and community wellness. One chapter at a time. Our goal isn't to overwhelm you with information. Our goal is to help you understand how global health connects to your everyday life. So, in reflection, I'd like to invite you to pause for just a moment. Now, I want you to think about someone you love: a child, a parent, a grandparent, a friend. How might greater understanding of health help you protect the people who matter most to you? Knowledge isn't simply information. Sometimes is one of the greatest acts of caring. So, throughout our chapters, I'm going to always give you a PMAP action challenge, or sometimes we call it a call to action. But we're going to stick with PMAP action challenge because it sounds a little more cooler, right? So I want you to do these 3 things, and each time I end this series, we're going to always ask you to do a simple challenge for the week. Each time we ask you to do a challenge, it's going to involve 3 things: a learn, a share, and an act. So for the learn for this week, discover one new fact about a global health issue affecting your community, not the global health community. Share. I want you to share and start one conversation with a friend or family member about why global health matters. Act. Commit to learning one new public health concept this week. Well, you kind of already did today. Small actions create lasting change. So in closing, if today's conversation encouraged you, I invite you to subscribe and become part of a growing learning community. And I also want to say thank you very much to all of our subscribers over the July 4th holiday. It was really a nice holiday, having subscribers that are wanting to learn more about how global health affects their everyday life. Because together, we'll continue mapping access to prevention. One lesson, one conversation, one healthier community at a time. So, to whoever is listening out there, thank you for joining me on today's journey. And until then, and I say until then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep building healthier communities, one chapter at a time. I'm Marie Corbin, your host, and I'll see you in our next chapter.